often when we're submitting these, because it's part of our divorce financial portrait, and we work with the party's attorney, different attorneys approach this affidavit or report, whatever your state calls it, differently. And most people filling that out don't understand that there's a strategy sometimes used. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, so I'll start out with the income and expenses. So for the income, they want you to be very, very accurate and very in the now. So if you have a pay stub or if you're independent contractor or a business owner, you report your income different ways. So if you have a pay stub, you want to report your income as it is now. But if it's been reduced or if it's been increased, let's just say you were separated or life has changed and you've gotten a new job, you need to qualify that very relative to how your lifestyle was when you were married. So a lot of stay-at-home moms find themselves in a situation that they just can't make ends meet. And so they get a job and they write down their income. Well, that's great, but you need to qualify it that you've been a stay-at-home mom for so many years, and this is why you have a job, but it's not really how you lived your life, right? So you have to fill it out in the now. You have to be super accurate. You need to fill in the taxes and all of that, but you can definitely qualify it. Another question that I have is when people are independent contractors or they're business owners, how do they report their income? And so many times people will report their income as their gross revenue. That's not your income. So take a moment. And if you're working with us, we help you out with that. But if you're not working with My Divorce Solution for whatever reason, ask your accountant, what is my income? What is my net income? And how do I report it so that it's accurate?